Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Salesforce Bold. In today's video, I'll explain how you can connect WhatsApp with one of your custom Lightning component. Guys, I don't know if you're aware about it, but WhatsApp is having around 1.5 billion users in around 180 countries, guys, which makes it the #1 messaging app in the world. And if I talk about India, so in India only, we are having around 300 million users of WhatsApp daily. Guys, as per the stats, an average user spend around 28 minutes daily on WhatsApp. So today I decide to spend some more minutes on WhatsApp and create a video on it to share the knowledge with you guys. So guys, in today's demo, I'll create a custom Lightning component and I'll connect WhatsApp in it, and then I'll use it as a quick action on contact. So guys, let's get started. I'll be sharing my screen now. So guys, for today's demo, let's start with the Lightning component first. Let me show you my component. Okay guys, this is my Lightning component in which I'm having a record ID attribute, attribute to get the contact detail, a message or attribute string type, and we are having a handler here to get the contact detail on the page load. Okay, so as you can see in this page guys, I'm having a simple card here in which I'm having a logo. I'm using WhatsApp logo here, and underneath that I'm having a text box and a button here. We will be getting the message text from this text box. Okay, so guys, for the WhatsApp image, you can use it directly from the whatsappbrand.com. Let me show you. So guys, from this you can download the official WhatsApp logo images, like I have done this for my blog. Let me show you how you can upload in the static resource. Just go to setup. Okay, in the setup, quick find, search for static resource. We are uploading the image here as we are using it in our component. As you can see, I'm referencing my static resource name here. Okay, so guys, before preparing the component, you have to save your image here. Like my image static resource name is WhatsApp, and I'm using the same name in my component also. And you can use your static resource name here. And the logo size was too big, so I have applied a style here to limit the width to 60 pixels. Okay, underneath that we are having a text box and a send button. Let me show you the controller guys. Okay, so in the controller guys, we are having two functions here. The first is the do init, which is working as a page load, and the second one is the send WhatsApp function, which will be working on the buttons click. Okay, so in do init, what we are doing here, we are fetching the contact record based on the record ID. We are fetching it from our Apex class guys. Let me show you the Apex class. In the Apex class, as you can see, we are having a static method here which is returning the contact record based on the contact ID. And after getting the contact ID, we are storing the contact record in the con variable which we have declared in our component. Yeah, here it is. Okay, and guys, in the send WhatsApp buttons click, we are having the contact detail in a contact variable here, and we are having our message in the message variable. In the message variable, I have some defaults value here, like I have put here hello, then contact name will be there, and after that the message which we will be getting from the text box. And in URL guys, you can see I'm calling the URL wa.me. You can get the URL detail from the WhatsApp fact page. Let me show you. Okay. Okay guys, this is the official WhatsApp website. You can get the link detail here, how you can create your own link, how you can customize it, how you can send only number or some text with the number. I'll share the link in the description below. Okay, so in this link I'm having my contact mobile number, and I'm having one more parameter here, text, in which I'm sending my message here. Okay, and after that we are opening this link in a blank window, and after that we are closing the quick action, as we'll be having this component as a quick action. Okay guys, now let me redirect to the quick action. Okay guys, to create the quick action, just go to Object Manager, search for contact as we are having it in contact. Now go to button links and action. Now from here you have to create new action. You can name it whatever you want. You just have to select custom lightning component here, and after that you can select your component label and component name here. Okay, I have already selected it. Let me show you my quick action. So here's my quick action. My quick action name is send WhatsApp. Okay, after creating the quick action, you have to apply it on the page layout also. Let me show you my page layout here. Okay. Okay, so in my page layout, I'm having the send WhatsApp button in Salesforce mobile and lightning experience section, as we have created for the lightning experience only. So I have dragged the button from the top of the list, and you can also do the same guys. Let me show you the output of it. So guys, this is my contact page. Let's click on the contact and create a new contact here. Okay, let's insert the mobile number, account name. Okay, alright guys, let me save it. Okay, so this is my contact record here, and as you can see guys, I'm having a send WhatsApp button here. The quick action button is here. Let me show you the output guys. So as you can see guys, our custom lightning component is here. As you can see the message text box and the send button. Let me try it by sending a message here. I'm sending, how are you doing? Okay, let's click on send. It will redirect us to another page which will be calling the WhatsApp API, and using those API the SMS will be sent to that sender's mobile number. Let me show you. Okay guys, as you can see, it is asking to redirect us on WhatsApp, and when you will click on the open WhatsApp, your chatting window will be open with the sender's mobile number and with the text you have entered. As you can see, text here. Okay, and after clicking on the send button guys, as you can see, the quick action is disappear now, as we have closed it from the controller. This particular line number 22, I'm using it to close the quick action. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you learned something new. Hey guys, I hope you liked today's video. Please click on like and subscribe button and share it with your friends, and let me know if you have any query in the comment section below. I'll revert back as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next one guys. Till then, bye, Jai Hind, peace.